So inside of this box there's a 3D printer. It's not a normal printer and it's not a 3D printer, but it is cool. And yeah, I really like it. And this printer prints off a sick plastic called TPU, but it's not a 3D printer. This is TPU plastic you actually use to make flexible 3D prints. Also, when the sponsor reached out to me, I thought, hey, this could be great for my YouTube channel. It would actually benefit me. But the main reason I done it, because it was like a $3,000 printer. I love money. I'm a money guy. Ooh, it's a panda! Oh, this is it's a heavy boy. Okay, so my first impressions on this Procolored Panda is that heat press is kind of sick. That's all I know so far. It looks cool. It works cool. It opens automatically, it shuts automatically, and that's pretty neat. I think it could help you be faster. Oh no, don't rip. Woo! That's cool. So it has this cord, it's a sort of data line. It goes to your laptop, and this is the power cord. Okay, so one of the things I really like about this printer is its accessibility. You open it up, you can see everything from the top. It's super nice like that. And then look into these sides, pops open. You can access almost everything on it. But if you look, this other side opens up, which has all the ink cartridges and stuff. It's super nice, and it has a label right here, so I can do it in the right order. So it looks like I finally got it to work. It's starting to actually print. Before that, it was actually printing Chinese code. You have to go into ProRip, go into, let me see. Well, basically, you have to go into the software, and you have to push install printer, and go to the file that you want, which is the extra one other than the driver and the ripper download, and then you download it. So that's my whole problem. I spent 6 hours yesterday figuring that out. Literally just got my first design printed, and it's so cool because it looks exactly like how I designed it. Let's get this on a shirt. It's gonna be awesome. So this is a TPU I was talking about actually. What you do is you stick it to the back of the print and you kind of just try to get it everywhere. Then you'd put it in the oven and bake it. And once you're done baking it, you'd actually put it on top of the shirt and then heat press it down, and that's what keeps the ink to the shirt. Oh, come on. I don't know what the print settings are for that. So, but the cool thing about this is I could take it off and use it anytime after I cook that stuff onto it, so I don't even have to have that on anymore. The good news is while it's heating up, I can change my camera angle. So the good news is I got a shirt, but I'm not good with white colors. Spilt coffee on it almost immediately. But check this puppy out. Look at that, it's pretty sick. Funny story is, I'm actually slightly colorblind. So I thought it was tan, but it turns out to be green. Now I can see it, because I'm only slightly colorblind. Lucky me. Oh no, Papa's not looking good here. So I actually really like the printer, and I made 2 sick hoodies with it. The printer itself, it feels very quality. I did have some problems with the software, but that was actually for just like, well, it was for 6 hours, but if it was for you, if you knew how to do it right, you could fix it in 5 minutes. Not even that much, actually. The prints did take a little bit longer than I expected as far as the big ones on the back. It took like 20 plus minutes. Maybe 30 for the larger ones, but the ones on the front took less than 3 minutes. But I actually really like these. These are how they turned out. As you can see here, as you can see here, I actually put the Procolored logo on right here. And here's the back. All of these I designed on an iPad using Procreate. So yeah, it took forever designing this, and that's the most part of the video, of just designing the things I print. This one I actually designed myself, and if you guys like it, I'll actually put up for merch on the channel. The design's supposed to be a print head with BT3D, so Design's based off Brandon Tucker 3D. Here's the logo I designed for the front, the B3D, and like graffiti bubble art. Used to draw pictures of bubble art when I was a kid, so it's nice to come back to that. And then here's the back. Yeah, I got the drip. Yeah, this project was great. I actually really liked it. Thank you, Procolored, for sponsoring this video.